So diameter works in, you could actually see it, one resource says it works in a peer-to-peer architecture. Another one says it does a server and a client architecture. Now Radius and TACACS work in the traditional client-server architecture. You've got a component, even with TACACS, you have a TACACS client that is going to take the request from whoever wants to log in and is going to get the authentication information and pass it back to the TACACS server that has the user database that'll make the decision. So it's just like a Radius. So that's the traditional client-server model. In Diameter, it uses a peer-to-peer connection in that the different Diameter software is going to communicate directly. So it's like with the mobile IP, if I'm in one network and I'm authenticated to a Diameter, through Diameter to a specific authentication server, and I go over to another network, that authentication server will talk to the one over in the other network and say, hey, she's authenticated and here's her information, so I don't have to re-authenticate. So that's how it works in a peer-to-peer. It'll work in a client server only that that when you have to authenticate, then you're the client.